So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Word. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. First, open this PC or my computer and navigate to your boot drive, usually the C drive. Here you will see two folders, Program Files and Program Files x86. First, open the Program Files folder and type ospprearm.exe. Hit enter and give it a few seconds to complete the search. If the file doesn't show up, copy the search term, return to the previous menu, and then open the Program Files x86 folder. Paste the search term in the top right corner. Hit enter and wait for the file to appear. So this is our required file. Right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Repeat this process 2 more times and the issue should be resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video.